Yeah, I know. Whiskey straight up. Been in every night the last 2 weeks.
You friendly with any of the customers?
No, until Thursday. Then he hooks up with one of the regulars.
What they talk about?
Good. Then he's all bitches this, bitches that every time we walk by.
They leave you yet?
Anything else? I got ice cubes
Trouble at home, stress at the job. Goes out to the bars, unwind, regularly. Enter bed, start pounding them back. Stories get heated. I'm looking at Ed as only a victim. Maybe he and Vinny run to the street